Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 10. So here it is. Let's read the story. Miss Oh Chensi, right now, she was waiting for her outside the supermarket. Someone was calling her. Miss Oh. It was Yuner who was calling Miss Oh. So she looked up on her. Seems to be she got really puzzled. Why suddenly Junior will ask her to go to supermarket when it was clearly that she was asking for the dinner. Well, this is really tricky. Junior, at this moment, she was holding a trolley. Now she was holding a trolley and she was waving at her. Miss O, to her surprise, you knew I would come. Junior said to her, I'm not really sure. But it seems that Yuner, she really knows everything. That's why she's not surprised that Miss O will come in. But whether you come or not, I still have to buy groceries and cook. Well, definitely she was right. Yuner, she was really getting tricky. But Miss O said, so you said to treat me to a meal. You mean you will cook your own food? Well, for me, it was really good. House specialty food is more nutritional, also more delicious. Yes, actually, my dream is to be a chef. Young Yuner said to Oh Chensi. Chensi, she was only standing there. I said to her, I don't believe it. I swear to God, this is the only truth I have ever told you. Yuner said to Chensi, well, she is really getting tricky. Yuner said, do you have any food taboos or dislike? Now, she really want to ask her so she can prepare a food that she will like. As per Yuner, it seems that she was really confident on herself. But for Ochensi said to her, I have. Now she was holding tomato. I don't eat anything that's round. Miss Ochensi said to her, maybe you think the circle is a symbol of perfections and you don't want to destroy this perfection. Yuner said to her, but for urgency, how would you know? Right now, Gunnar said to her, because right now, she looks really serious. I'm guessing it. There's also a person in my memory who never likes to eat round foods. Of course, it was her elder sister. Well, what about urgency? What is her reason? Looking at it, she got really curious. Just that person. Well, that time, she was looking forward to her elder sister, but right now, young Yuner, she suddenly realized he is a complete liar. She said to herself now, speaking cucumbers, so she can able to buy it and go home now that the ingredients are bought. I don't eat snack, Yuwensi said to her. But of course, it was hers, so she will really push forward herself. But I like to eat, so please go buy it for me. Oh, Yuner, she was really tricky. Now she was holding hands with Oceansi, and it makes sense. She seems to be happy. Yuner said, let's go. She turned around and still holding the hand of Shensi. Well, come to eat. Now, they've been on the aisles of the snack. It turns out her favorite snack is already one piece left, and there's nothing anymore. Oceansi, to her surprise, suddenly released her hands. Now, she was looking into it. Well, probably. She became worried because she noticed herself that young Yuner is plotting something she need to be aware of. But Yuner said, thank you so much, Mr. O. Well, she was pretending that Yuner, she seems to be happy so much. Well, let's see. Thank me. I have always have a bad luck, so it must be you who brought me to good luck. She was really good at acting and also coaxing people. I thought I knew she was trying to get close to me. I didn't know how to refute her for a moment. Well, finally, there's a boy who's looking for them. He was pointing on the snacks. Can you give me this bag of potato chips? The boy is requesting for Yuner. Well, definitely. Can she give it to the young boy? But why should I give it to you? Yunner said to the boy. Because I'm young, please. Even though the boy, Yunner, just staying firm, put that bag of snack in the cart. Sorry, I want to eat it too. Please wait for the supermarket to restock. So it turns out, I really won't keep her chips. But looking at the boy, it seems that he is getting mad. What's wrong? Is there something dirty on my face? She was asking Oh Chansey. But Yunner, at this moment, it seems that she was really acting differently. I thought you would give it to him. Shouldn't you be kind in front of me? Why would should I give it in? This is my first time as a human being. Why should I care for? Now, she's putting the bag on Miss O's hand and gave it. Young Yunner said, I want to share it with you. Things that I like. But for Yunner, she was a little bit tough today. Chansey, do you want to share? Well, definitely. She was willing to share it with her. After a few minutes, already arrived. Young Yunner's home. She said to O, this is my home. Well, definitely, the place is really good. And it seems that it was really calm. On the other hand, the two of them went to the kitchen. You can go and have a rest on the sofa first. I'll call you when dinner is ready. Miss O said, really getting better. But what about young Yunner? It's only a little bit short. That's right, Miss Koo. Have some water. Oh, it turns out this girl, she only wanted to tease people. Now she suddenly stepped on the doll, on the floor, and it really makes sense. She seems to be puzzled and also she got panic. Definitely this girl. After a few moments, the two of them, although it was really flattering. Right now, the cups fall on the floor. Well, we can wait to see what will happen next, so let's hope the relationship of the two of them will get better. Right now, Yunner, Mr. O, I didn't mean it. I will wipe it and clean it for you. But some of it, Mr. O Chansey, she seems to be getting angry. Isn't this intentional? Since she already soaked on the water. Of course, she got really mad. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Since the story seems that they're only good and it was really waiting for him. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.